He became a journalist in the Naya Welt, which was published in Lithuania and Vilnius, and then later in Warsaw. So he met some of the Peretz and Sholem Aleichem and Mendele. So he describes the meetings with them in the book. He writes about Peretz meeting with him. At the time, my dad, his primary language was Russian, but he felt that he was working with the Jewish people and he has to learn Yiddish. So he was practicing Yiddish all he could. And when he met Peretz, he tried to speak Yiddish to him. And Peretz kept switching to Russian. And my dad would speak Yiddish and Peretz would answer in Russian. And he couldn't understand why Peretz wouldn't talk Yiddish with him. Years later, when he was working with him in Warsaw in the newspaper, where they became already friendly, he asked him about it, and Peretz denied that he ever... But my dad suspects that Peretz was trying to transmit to the Russian youth, which was the equivalent of the American youth, the importance of Yiddish, and he didn't want anything to be missed, and was afraid that if he spoke to them in Yiddish, that they wouldn't understand. So he spoke in Russian.